Hello, my dear friends. Today's video is entitled Clutter Wars, and we're talking about clutter that needs to leave your house that you or other members of your family have decided you might need to keep. And there ensues the clutter war. This is why I say when you are decluttering to have 3 containers. 1, a basket or something similar for putting things in another place, put away. Another one for a box for give away. And a final one, a bag for throw away. So make a quick decision. Put it in the bag, put it in the box, put it in the basket. When your 15-minute timer goes off, you stop and you immediately take the garbage, tie a knot in it, take it outside, open the big garbage can, drop it in, put something else on top of it and close it. Forget about it. You and your family won't be tempted to go digging through the garbage to see what you've left. The same with the giveaway. In a box in the back of the car, covered with a towel if you have to, so that when you run your errands on Thursday, it's hidden in the back of the car. You can take it out and drop it off at the Goodwill. That's Clutter Wars. You can win. Make it a great day.